Look at this driving force in getting life back to normal. Busloads full of students 16 and up are now getting their vaccines at the FEMA site in Greensboro.
And soon the FDA might sign off for younger kids to take the shots too.
Yeah!
We'll dig into the clinical study to show you why pediatricians are saying this.
I think it's the safest approach to get kids back in school and back to normal activities and do it as safely as possible.
Right now, Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine is available for anyone 16 and older. But the company's requesting the ability to give the shots to kids 12 to 15 years old.
Yeah, the FDA could give emergency use authorization to Pfizer's vaccine for this age group next week. We are bringing us closer to the end of this pandemic. I'm Maddie Gardner here with Ben Briscoe, and for the next 10 minutes, we're going to dig into what this means for your child and how Triad clinics are getting ready for the possible approval.
Starting with this, just hours ago, our neighbors to the north in Canada signed off on Pfizer's shots for teens, giving kids here at home hope that the pandemic nightmare is about to be over. The door's about to open for 13-year-old Maddie Lavalier to be around her people again.
I've been missing my family and I've been missing my friends, and this is not something that I would usually say, but I miss school too.
Maddie's had to be really careful during the pandemic because she has spina bifida, which impacts her immune system. But now she sees the coronavirus vaccine as her ticket to freedom.
I'm scared of needles, I'm not a huge fan of them, but I am willing to get as many needles as it takes to be able to be fully vaccinated.
Pediatricians say expanding vaccine eligibility is a big deal.
The prospect of being able to vaccinate 12 through 15-year-olds as early as next week and the coming weeks thereafter is simply thrilling.
Thrilling and safe for your kids.
These vaccines have gone through extensive clinical trials on children. These vaccines are safe, these vaccines are incredibly effective, and frankly, they're our best hope to putting an end to this pandemic.
And Maddie plans to be at the front of the line.
Yeah!
If the FDA approves Pfizer's vaccine for 12 to 15-year-olds, where will you go to get your child vaccinated? Well, the White House COVID Task Force says they have several potential plans in action. The plans are similar to the current rollout, meaning the vaccine could be accessible at clinics for kids. Pediatricians could also offer the vaccine. The plan also includes providing information directly to parents so they can make the best decision for their family. But the task force says they need parents' help to make this all work.
We know that kids want to go to camp this summer. We know parents want them to be safe. We know that parents prefer to have that done if they want that done without masks. Vaccinations are the best answer. So we are prepared to move as quickly as we can after any kind of authorization.
The people in charge at FEMA's clinic in Greensboro say they're preparing in case the FDA does okay the vaccine for kids.
We're watching closely to see what's going to happen with the Pfizer approval for younger kids in the 12 to 15-year-old age range. That might come as early as this week or next week. So watching that closely. But if it is approved, we'd love to have that available we have the vaccine now. It's just a matter of getting 12 to 15-year-olds in there. We just need to work out some processes on how that would work. Would there be parental consent required, that kind of thing. So I just work out how those processes would work.
Now, until then, Guilford County Schools has partnered with the clinic to bus students 16 and up over there. That way they can get the shot during the school day as long as the students got a signed permission slip. And for people over 18, the FEMA clinic is offering both Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson for walk-ins or by appointment. The clinic is open every day except Sunday until May 27th.
Guilford County Schools says it is too soon for leaders to know how they would handle getting younger students vaccinated.
Once our students 12 and up are able to be vaccinated, that we'll work with them to create some sort of plan to make sure that we're helping make our community as safe as it can be.
Davie County Schools has had some conversations with the health department, but have not made any decisions just yet. Winston-Salem Forsyth County parents received a survey asking them how they would feel about their child getting the vaccine. That survey closes at 6 o'clock, so if you haven't taken it, you don't have too much time left to fill that out. The school district would work with the Forsyth County Health Department. Health officials say they are working out logistics to make sure everyone has access.
Part of the questions was, are you interested in the vaccine? If yes, where would you go to get that vaccine? Would you go to your primary provider, which will a good chance that will be Novant or Baptist, or is there another provider? Also, we're going to look and see if they want to come to the health department or to a special clinic, or would they prefer us come to their school?
Of course, the success of all this hinges on parents believing the vaccine is safe for their kids. I get it. You want to be extra careful because we got to protect those babies. That's why you should hear for yourself about the data from the Pfizer study. Check this out. The vaccine is shown to have worked in 100% of children who received the vaccine. To put that in perspective, more than 2,000 kids aged 12 to 15 participated in the trial. More than 1,000 of them were placed in the placebo group, meaning they weren't given the actual vaccine. 18 of those kids got COVID, but none of the kids who were given the vaccine got the virus. Children's immune systems also showed a high number of antibodies after 1 month, and they also found that the side effects for kids were pretty much exactly what you went through too. The company will keep monitoring the children who participated for the next 2 years for long-term protection and for kids' safety. But researchers stress they do not expect any long-term problems. For parents still on the fence, Novant Health's Dr. David Priest says the shots protect your child and so many other people.
You protect that individual child. Two is you prevent spread of COVID within the community, which protects all of us. Keeps the hospital numbers down, it protects grandparents and parents and other loved ones, and it allows us to get back to doing activities that we've been wanting to do.
The doctor also says the bottom line is this: the shots let kids back to all the things they love. Folks, real change is on the horizon. It won't be long now before all Americans of any age can get the vaccine.
Absolutely. Trials just started for kids between the ages of 6 months and 11 years old, and Pfizer hopes to apply for that FDA authorization for kids 2 to 11 by September, as students prepare to go back to school for a full year for the first time.
How crazy does that sound after all of this? Look, you heard from all of us the facts, the data, the details about the vaccine trial, but what's harder to share with you is the real spectacular impact this could have on kids.
So as we leave you tonight, listen to why these teenagers are so excited to roll up their sleeves.
If everyone gets their vaccinations, then hopefully we can go back to school normally without masks. You can hug your friends if you want. Sit at lunch tables.
Especially with our graduation coming up, just to have a semi-normal graduation. Even if we have to walk across the stage in masks, I really don't care. Just as long as we get to have somewhat of that last connection together.